Cheating shatters trust, the foundation of any relationship. But psychology shows that while difficult, rebuilding trust is possible if both partners are willing to do the work. Steps to rebuild trust. Full honesty. The betrayer must take full responsibility, answer questions openly, and avoid excuses. Transparency. Consistent openness about whereabouts, communication, and intentions helps repair safety. Patience and time. Healing isn't instant. Trust rebuilds slowly through repeated positive actions. Open communication. Both partners must express pain, fears, and needs without judgment. Professional help. Therapy or counseling provides tools to navigate triggers, resentment, and healing. Rebuilding self-worth. The betrayed partner must focus on self-healing, confidence, and boundaries. Cheating changes relationships forever. Some grow stronger, while others end. But psychology teaches this. Forgiveness doesn't erase betrayal. It creates space for growth if both partners commit to change.